Hey everyone, my name is Carolyn, and if you're new here, please subscribe.
Under your spotlight.
So right now, I get my tulle and my ribbon from bbcrafts.com, and right now there's a sale going on, so I like that everything's like half off. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so this is my second time buying from BB Crafts. So let me show you guys, if this is your first time buying from BB Crafts and you order a lot of stuff, this is how it looks. So I ordered some ribbon, and here is the red satin. It's 25 yards. Double-sided. And then I got some in white. Light pink. Turquoise. And a lavender. And I got white tulle. This is a 54-inch by 40 yards. This is how it comes in. And I got the red.